Hey everyone, welcome. Thank you for joining me in the Sidekicks for another video. I have an unboxing for you today. My Stitch Fix is here. So it is my second box with my new stylist. We'll see how she did. Before I get started, the sleepy sidekicks are here, ready for work. Not at all, right? So, Wyatt and Zana, can you say hi? Nothing. Sorry, guys. We'll see if we get anything from them throughout this video. I don't know. Anyway, they get paid one either way, so they don't care. So, yeah, I got a new stylist last time. Her name is Cassandra. Yes, because Jess is no longer styling for Stitch Fix, broke my heart. So, my last fix, I only kept one item. I liked two. But the one was, I had needed a smaller size and they didn't have it. So I kept one item. So not bad, right? I mean, not bad. So let's see if this one's any better. So $20 styling fee comes off of anything you like. You fill out a profile, get a stylist, keep it all, get a discount. When you open your box, right inside the, on the label here, tells you what to do next if you're not sure. Here's what the inside of my box looks like. It looks like there's shoes in here again. I always love shoes. You do get a bag to send back anything you don't love and don't want to keep. You get a little envelope with your stylist notes, your pricing sheet, and ideas how to wear your items. Ooh, these feel like they have a heel. Shoes, and here is my bundle. Okay, looks interesting, right? Looks interesting. So what should we do first? Bundle or shoes? Let's save shoes for last. All right, let's dig into the bundles. All right, first up is a top by, let's see, who's this by? It is by Stone 33. It has all this pretty lace detail at the top. And in the back, check that out. And it is sheer here in the back. So there is that. And then look how flowy. It is lined. And a little bit longer. So it's pretty. All right, next is a snake print. What is this? This looks like an off the shoulder. This is by Stylist. Stylist by Chanel. I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm sorry if I am. We'll look on the paperwork. But it is a little snake print. Looks like it maybe hits right out the shoulder, maybe off the shoulder. Has the tie at the elbow maybe. And then a little bit longer. And it cuts up on the sides, I see here as well. Cute. Next, what have we here? The color's pretty. I have no idea what it is. Dress, maybe? Oh, it looks like it's a long dress. Maybe a midi or a maxi. This is a May Faux Wrap Knit Midi dress by DM Collection. So faux wrap at the top. It does have a belt. There's a lot of fabric here. Here's the bottom. Oh, it almost looks like it has that kerchief look at the bottom. The pattern's pretty. I'm not sure the dress is my style. We'll see. Maybe I'll love it when I put it on, right? All right, and last up for the clothes is a pair of joggers, it looks like, by BBJ Los Angeles. This is a size 3, but it says olive size 2. What does that mean? On the tag it says it's a size 2. On the label it says size 3. Interesting. So these are a crop length midi rise. So it has like the side pockets. And the flat pockets in the back, which I don't know. I have a decent sized booty, so I always feel like once you have these flat pockets, if you have a decent sized booty, I feel like that adds to it. And then it has the jogger bottoms. So we'll see. They feel nice. They're nice and soft. I might love them when I put them on. All right, shoes. Let's see what these look like. I don't know what to say. What do you guys think? They're kind of like rugged at the bottom. And then zip up the back. They're by Diba. I don't know, they're kind of cute. They remind me of Sorrow a little bit, right? Okay, let's see what my stylist had to say. All right, happy June fix. I'm sorry your last fix didn't match your personal style. I know it takes time for a new stylist to truly understand what makes you feel fabulous, so I hope this collection feels more like you. I'd love to continue to read your feedback. This time I went with a pair of cotton blend joggers by Boom Boom Jeans in olive green. The capri length and breathable fabrication are just right for summer with the crochet detailed top by Stone 33 for an easy breezy ensemble. Finish this look with the Diba Wedge sandals, or to dress up the joggers, try them with heels and the status off the shoulder blouse. What do you think of this edgier print? Finally, with a more summery pop of color, I sent you the faux wrap midi dress by DM Collection. Have fun with your new assortment, and I hope to style you again soon. Best, Cassandra. All right, let's get to the try-on. I will be right back. Okay, so I have the very first outfit on, and I have 3 of the 5 items on already. So first up is the blouse, which I do love all this lacing. I am not sure how I feel about the front of this because it almost feels like maternity wear because I have so much room here. But I like the flowiness of it. I like how it comes up on the side, and I'm loving the back of it. So hopefully you guys can see the back. I think that is very, very pretty. So I'm actually loving all of it, except for I'm not sure, is it sticking out? I'm not sure how I feel about this front. It feels like a lot of fabric. But I like the idea of this blouse. I think it's really pretty. And it is fully lined, nice and flowy. Overall, I think it's very pretty. I love the back. Okay, and then these pants, I'm surprisingly really liking. So they are crops. They're super soft. The pockets really aren't sticking out. Even now, like I've had my leg up, they're not really sticking out that much, just a tiny bit. But they do seem to go back down when you stand. They're a pretty olive color, a nice basic. They seem to fit. I have probably a little bit of, I guess I do have room, but they're stretchy. So I don't think I'd want to size down because then I'm afraid they might be too tight. I don't know, it might be too tight in the legs. Because I feel like they should be relaxed because they're joggers, right? So I don't think that they would, oh, maybe I do have room. I don't know. Should I size down? But I think they're kind of cute. I think they're supposed to be relaxed though, right? Okay, I'm having a whole conversation all by myself here, guys, because you can't answer me. But overall, I'm surprised. I think they're cute. Now, the longer top, I'm a little worried would hook on these, and this might they might get stuck and be an issue, but as long as it's flowy, it should probably be okay. And then, of course, I have the shoes on, if you guys can see them. And I'm just not sure. I'm not sure this is my style is the problem. I'm not sure I like the white bottom and how super casual they are. I think I would like them better if the bottom wasn't white. And I'm not sure if I like how high up on my ankle they come. So I'm going to leave these pants on and try them on with different shoes and the other blouse like my stylist suggested, because I'm not liking these shoes with these pants at all. Now, the shoes are fairly comfortable, even though they come up pretty high on the ankle. And I always, if you guys have an issue with anything that zips up your ankle, I always leave it down a little bit. I never zip it the whole way to the top because then I always feel like it rubs. But if you leave it open just a little bit, it usually gives you that little bit of an opening and relaxes it enough that it's not painful and it won't rub on your ankle and leave a mark. So I did do that for these. I'm just not sure these are going to work for me. All right, let's get to the other top with these pants. I'll get a little bit closer to do a close-up view, and I will be back. Okay, so here is the kind of off the shoulder, which I could try to do off the shoulder here, but I think it's just going to continue to slip up as you move. Yeah, so I almost feel like you need to just kind of leave it like that. It does come up kind of high on the sides. It is longer in the back, which is nice. So it's a cute top. However, because it's riding up, it's hitting that spot on my neck that I'm super sensitive to, like wants to rub right there in the front of my neck. Since it won't stay down, I think that's going to be a problem for me. I do like this look with the pants better. I put it on with a different sandal. She had suggested a higher sandal for a dressier look. I think I would like something even lower on my foot, even better with these particular pants maybe, but I like this a little bit better than those other shoes. I do really like these pants, which I'm really surprised about. I just have to decide if this is the right size for me or not, or if they're too baggy and I do need a smaller size. I'm honestly not sure. I'm not sure what they're supposed to look like. I'll look at the picture. Oh, but that's not on people, so it's just a picture of the pants. All right, I'm still talking to myself here. You guys are going to have to answer all these questions for me. So I don't know, what do you think of this top? I think it's cute. I just don't think it's going to work for me. I think it's going to keep riding up and be annoying, and I'm going to have to keep pulling on it. I think the back actually looks prettier than the front, just like the other top. But I think the front's going to keep riding up and make me crazy. All right, let's try on the dress. Okay, and the last item is this. It's supposed to be a midi dress, but this is definitely a maxi dress on me. It comes up a little bit in the front because it does have kind of that kerchief cut to it. I'll back up so you guys can see that. I put it on with flats. This is actually a pair of Michael Kors flats that I just recently purchased. I'm deciding whether or not to keep. I haven't worn them out of the house yet. And I ordered another pair of shoes that are a little bit cheaper that are in a similar color. I'm going to wait until I get them to see if I want to spend the money on the Michael Kors. They're a little bit more. But I like the color. Anyway, I think this is a very, very pretty dress. I like the faux wrap of it, but it stays in place. I like the belt. That's no problem. I'll show you the back. It's bra friendly. It's a nice fabric. It'd be awesome for vacation. My only hesitancy is that I own maxi dresses and I never ever reach for them because I don't want to wear long dresses in the warm weather. And usually it's too warm. I just don't normally, pick them. I cover my legs and most of my body all winter long. That it's just something I generally don't reach for. But I have to say, I think the colors in this dress are stunning. I think the pattern is pretty. I think it's a beautiful dress. And it fits nicely. I'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see the pattern. What do you think? All right, well, this was the last item. And let's do a wrap up and talk pricing. Okay, so pricing. All 5 items came to $311 minus 25% for the buy all discount would bring it down to $233.25. So let's break it down. So the first is the Stone 33 Stephano Crochet Detailed Top. That was this. What did you guys think of this top? Did it look too flowy, too big in the front? I love the back. I think that's so pretty. I don't know. I have to think about this one. I liked the idea of it a lot. It's $42. It's the cheapest item in the box. Next up was the DM Collection May Faux Wrap Knit Midi Dress. This is $88. And while this was really a maxi on me, not a midi, I thought this was beautiful. I have not worn, I've worn one maxi dress in the last 2 years. I don't know. It is really pretty. It's $88. Next is the Diba Graham Suede Wedge Sandal. $89. It's the most expensive thing in the box. I just don't think this is my style. I don't know what I would reach for these. When? Like, I don't know when. Then the Grassley off-the-shoulder blouse. That was this. And I think this would be a pain for me. If it would have stayed down, I actually think I would like this. But it kept riding up to that spot on my neck that makes me feel like I'm going to die. Like someone's choking me. If it didn't do that, I think I would actually like this top and want to give it a try. But since it does that, it feels like a hard no for me. And then the Boom Boom jeans, Vancouver Twill Jogger, these were $48. So I don't pay the styling fee because I did the Style Pass when they offered it to me, which means I paid that $49 fee and then I don't pay any styling fees for a year. So I don't have that come off of my total. So I don't keep 5, I wouldn't get a discount. And the only things I'm contemplating, maybe these, but I don't know if this is the right size. These were only $48. The crochet top was $42. And then this was just so pretty, but I don't know if I would wear it. I don't know. So overall, I don't think Cassandra did badly. I think, you know, this is only her second fix with me. So this is my fix number 54. I've been doing this for a while, haven't I? So I would love, love, love to know what you guys think. Was there anything here that really stood out to you? Do you have a favorite piece? If I was going to pick one, which one would it be? Share below, please. I will list all these items down below in case you want to ask for any of them from your stylist. I will share my link down below as well if you want to give Stitch Fix a try. If you use my link, you will get $25 credited towards your fix and anything you keep. And I will as well for my next fix. Yeah. I'm going to have to think about this one. If I were to pick one thing, which would it be? I don't know. So thank you so much for spending some time with me and sharing my unboxing. I so appreciate it. I would love you to hit that like button. I would love you to hit that subscribe button and hang out with us for a while and show us some support. If you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. The pups weren't any help today. Zenith disappeared and Wyatt is still in his sleepy pose there. So till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.